Namaste students. Hope you all fine. Myself Saranya, I am your EVS teacher. Today we are going to see the next lesson, that is sharing our feelings. So lesson number 13, sharing our feelings. Okay children. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. So usually, after returning to our home, we will share our day-to-day things, right? What and all happen in the school, or what our friends told. Like that, we will share with our family members. Usually, um, in our family, one or two members are listening. A very enjoy. They enjoy listening to them. Yeah, right. So like that, we nani also, sorry, this boy also came to home and sharing his feelings. The first person is my nani is a grandmother. She is always anxious to listen to me. She waits for me to return from school. She is quite old and often has back pains. She cannot see or hear well. Every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. She does the rest of her works herself. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset. So, in our homes also, old peoples will be there, right? If that old peoples, some of them will not hear it properly, uh, uh, hear it properly means we have to tell something, means we have to tell it aloud. So like that, in his house also, Nani was a very old person. She cannot hear it properly. So for that, his papa reads the newspaper very loudly daily in the morning. But if someone tries to help her for this means, she will feel upset. Normally, we also feel like that, right? If somebody feeling like we are not able to do that, so we are helping. Like that means we will also feel. So like that, Nani also be upset. Though she cannot see properly, she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She says these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. So, children, this is true, right? Nowadays, some of them don't know how to cut a vegetable properly. Even though she cannot see properly, she will cut the vegetables properly. See, without eyes it properly, she uh, she is cutting vegetables very properly. But we are all having a proper eyes, but even though we feel difficult to cut vegetables, while cutting we will sometimes we will cut our fingers also with our eyes. But she is without proper eyesight, but she is doing her work very correctly. So see this picture, the boys sharing the things with their family members. The second person in my is my Ravi Baya. He lives with us. I call him Ravi Baya, and he calls my parents Baya and Babi. So I don't know what our relation is, but he is very loving brother. So one brother also staying with him. So his name was Ravi. So he will call him as Ravi Bhaiya. He is always ready to answer my questions. He never says I will tell you later. So he is a very he is giving very comfortable to this child by hearing hearing the feelings and uh, answering the questions to them. So he likes him very much. So if we also will like that like persons, right? If someone be more care to us, or someone who is listening to all our things and answering to them, so we will also love them. So like that, he has one brother called Ravi. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. The students of the college respect him a lot. A few of them come to home to study from him. So he is a lecturer. So all the students in the class will like him. So some of the students will come to home and read from him. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. So he enjoyed chatting with his friends and going out with them. So he likes to hear music, and he likes to chat with his friends and going out. He has a good sense of humor and makes all of us happy. So he has a sense of humor also there. So he always makes all of us laugh. So see, even though he cannot see, he is a very gem person, and he is very a good sense of humor also. He tries to feel the surroundings to be happy. Next, carries a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. So these type of peoples will be a very practiced about some places. If in a home, they will practice by going to nearby room, or to the kitchen or a hall. So every day they will practice. So usually they will walk like how we are walking. So like that, first time if someone sees him means they will not know that he is blind. If someone tries to help him against his wish, he gets angry. So, see that Nani gets upset, but he will get angry. Some of them feel sad, and some of them will react very angrily. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. So if they ask any help means, if we do that means, that is okay, but wantedly we should not help them. Some of them will not like that. They will feel that something in wrong them. So we should not do that. Some of Baya's students take books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. Ravi Bhaiya listens to these tapes. So he cannot see the books, right? So for that, the students will take the book and they will record in the tape. So in the tape, he can listen the lesson. So like that, he is teaching to the so many students. Baya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have a rows of raised point dots. He reads by running his fingers on the raised dots. So see the picture here. These types of books they will use mostly. This is specially made for the people who cannot see. To have a fun with Baya, I sometimes change the place of his stick. He does get he does get upset but never gets angry. After all, I am his favorite sister Seema. So it is a girl. So he is very close to his brother. So if she took the sticks away from the place where he kept, he will feel upset, but he will never feel angry on her, because she is very favorite sister to him. I had hardly reached the door that Baya spoke up. Seema, you seems to be very happy today. So see, without seeing her, he can observe that how his mental feeling is. She is happy or sad. He can sense that. Baya recognized not only me but all the other members from the sound we make as we move. He can even tell whether I am happy or sad. So they can observe it easily like feelings. They can observe it easily. So without the eyesight, they have more powerful vision, no more powerful hearing sense and observing sense is there. Baya, finally, I'm in the football team. I shared my news with him. He patted me and said lovingly, from today, you're my football coach. So, after telling that I'm going to be in a football team, so he was very happy that, and he told Sima that hereafter you will teach me football. So, you are the football coach to me. Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to her nanny. How do you help old people in your home? So you have to write your own answer. And what kind of problems do people have in old age? So what are the problems the old age people faces? Write any three. Okay, children? Next, how does Ravi Bhaiya come to know so many things without seeing? This is also your homework. Have you ever needed a stick? When? If you have needed it means write what is the reason for that. And can you think when you may need a stick? So in future you want a stick or not? What is your thought about that? How do we help those people who cannot see? So how we can help them without getting them sad or hungry? How we can help them? Write your answer. Okay, children, this is your homework. Is there any members in your family who cannot see, speak, or hear? Do you know any such persons? How do people help them with their work? So, in your home, any special persons are there means like this. So, write answer for these questions. Otherwise, imagine and write the answer. You read in the story that Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, but he does all his work on his own. He studies from different kinds of books. So that is raised dotted letters. So from there, he came to learn. To understand how he is able to do his work, close your eyes and play this game. So, this is one game, children's. Do and observe from this. Okay. Just close your eyes and do this. Touch and tell how many teeth are there in your mouth. Which students in the class have a maximum number of teeth? So for this we cannot ask in the class. So answer for these questions and send it in the group. Okay, children, this is your activity come homework. How many things you can recognize by only touching? So close your eyes, ask your friend or your family members to keep some items on the table and tie some cloth in your on your eyes, and by closing your eyes touch the items and recognize what is that. Okay, try to find out what type of object is that. Okay, children, close your eyes and listen. What sounds can you hear? Which people can you identify from the sound they make as they move? So, in your home, while sleeping, also you will observe some sounds. Okay, this person came, so mom is doing this one. So, like that, we will while sleeping also we will feel that, right? So like that, do this, and what type of sounds you are observing, write it that. Okay, by just smiling, can you guess if it is someone close to you? So while smiling also, you can feel that someone is close to you or not. So write your opinion. Okay, childrens. There is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. It is called ballet. So this type of books are called ballet. This was specially made for blind peoples. It is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised points with a pointed tool. Bali is read by running the fingers on the raised dots. So by touching the letters, they can able to understand what is that. Let us see whether it is difficult or easy to recognize a shape without seeing it. So try this in your home and do it. Okay, childrens. Take a sheet of sandpaper, make a shape on it by pressing a piece of thick wool or thick thread on it. Ask your friend to close his or her eyes and identify the shape of running her fingers on the sheet. Ask your friend, was it easy or difficult? So try to do this activity and observe and write your answer. Okay, children. Next, ask your friend to make a shape on the sandpaper in the similar way. Now you identify it by feeling with your fingers. So you also can do this activity. Take a thick piece of paper, make an outline on the paper with the help of a compass or a needle. Make dots at a short distance. So, in a small days, we will use to draw by joining the dots, right? So, like that, our dots should be in very short distance so that they can understood very easily. On the outline drawn, you can see that the paper is raised on the other side. Now ask your friend to close his or her eyes and feel with the fingers to tell what you have outlined. Isn't it difficult? Think about how people who cannot see are able to read. So, if we are feeling difficulty for sometimes, think about the peoples who are blind, how they are managing that. So, we are very blessed to not to be like that, right? But we should respect them. Let us learn about ballet. You may seen that Ravi Bayer reads special types of books. However, these books made, who first thought of these books? Let us find out about it. So, children see this A, B, C, D, and E letter, how they have pointed it. So, like this, it will be pointed in the Bali script. Lose Barley belonged to a France. So he is the one who introduced about this system. One day when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tool. Suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyesight. He had a keen interest in studies. He did not give up. He kept thinking of different ways to read and write. Finally, he found a way reading by touching and feeling. This way of reading later came to be known as the Barley script. So, how it the Barley script was came means the Lucy Parley is a one person who was living in the France. One day he was playing with the father's tool. It was hurt in his eyes. That's why he lost the eyesight. But he had a very interest in reading and in studies. For this, he did very hard work to read and write. Finally he found one way to touch the letters and feel what is that. So later we are calling that now as barley script. In this type of script, a row of raised dots are made on a thick paper. Because of this, dots or raised, they can be read by read by running the fingers on them. So how we can read them means by running our fingers on the book. This script is based on a 6 point. The Bali script has undergone many changes these days. This has made reading and writing simpler. Barley can now also be written using in computer also. So later it has we have changed a lot, and it has upgraded a lot by using it in the computer also. So children's, that's all the lesson got over. So hope you all understood the lesson. So read the lesson and do your homework and activities, and follow these types of good habits by sharing our feelings with your family members. Whatever it is, happy or sad, we have to share our feelings with our family members, or to any one person in the house. We have to share everything. Okay, childrens, thank you. Do your homework and activity. Bye.